Hi, I'm Dean Thet with Royal Ranges. Today, we're going to show you how to filter a Royal Ultra Plus fryer. First thing you do is you turn the fryer off by pressing the on-off button. Open the door. It's your drain lever. Open it halfway first, so you see the oil puddle in the bottom of the tank. Once you have a pretty good puddle going, you can open the drain the rest of the way. It just cuts down on splashing. You'll see the oil is flowing out of the hose. You use that to wash the sediment down the drain. You're rinsing the sides, you're rinsing the back. And you can look inside, you can see that we're washing all the sediment down the drain. Once you've washed all the sediment down the drain, you'll want to turn your pump off. Now you're going to want to send this over to tank and push the on button again. And now the oil is no longer coming out of the hose. It's going through the bottom of the fryer. You let it cycle through there for 2 or 3 minutes. Once 2 or 3 minutes have passed, you have to do one step to fill it up. Close the drain. With the drain closed and the pump on, it's just going to fill back up again. Before it fills up, you want to take your screw and put it back in. Once it starts to bubble, you want it to bubble for a few seconds, and you can look down inside your filter tub and see if there's very little oil left in there. So you'll turn the pump off, and then you can turn the fryer back on and top it off.